Subhranshu Shekhar Das from 4th A. Today I talk about coronavirus. COVID-19 pandemic is called as coronavirus. And it was first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, China. Symptoms of coronavirus is fever, cold, cough, body pain, head ache, shortness of breathing, and diarrhea also. Preventing of coronavirus is social distancing, sanitize your body, wash your hands at least 20 seconds, cover your mouth with a cotton mask. A new strain of coronavirus emerged in UK and other countries including India. Many people in India are infected in coronavirus. Today we have two vaccines. First is Covaxin, second is Covishield. People are taking vaccines for protecting themselves. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
My name is Yes Pradita. Now I am going to speak about COVID-19 vaccination. Today there are two vaccinations available in India. One is Covaxin and another one is Covishield. Why vaccination is required? When there are no medicines ordered, vaccination is the only solution to break the chain. How vaccine work? Vaccine boosts your immunity against COVID-19 virus and protect you from the disease. What is the contents of COVID vaccine? COVID-19 vaccine contains COVID-19 virus only, but it is present in the form of killed or inactivated virus which never cause disease, but it will help your immune system to identify and neutralize active virus at the time of entry. Difference between Covaxin and Covishield. Covaxin produced by Bharat Biotech Private Limited, Hyderabad. Covishield produced by Serum Institute of India, Pune. Covaxin given in the form of inactivated SARS-CoV-2 virus strain. Covishield. It is a recombinant vaccine. Spike protein CoV-2 binded with adenovirus vector and given vaccine. Which is the best vaccine? Both Covaxin and Covishield are best at this time. Both vaccines are safe and effective. Please all take vaccine and make India free from COVID-19 virus. Wear mask. Maintain social distance. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Akash and I am studying in 4th A. Now I am going to talk about coronavirus. COVID-19 is called coronavirus and it is originated in China the year 2019. It is a dangerous virus. It affects our lungs and kills so many people. It spread too fast and so many people are dying because of this virus. We need to wear a mask. Like this. We need to wash our hands very frequently. And we need to maintain social distance. We need to drink hot water and take some herbal water that is called Kabasura Kudineer. We need to take steam whenever going out and come back. We all should get vaccinated to protect us from this virus. Wishing for a corona-free India. Thank you.
Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. My name is Parthiv. I am studying 4th standard A section. My school name is Kendra Vidyalaya DGQA Complex. I will tell about coronavirus. Tips of reduce risk of infection. Wash your hands often, soap and water or alcohol based hand rub. Cover your mouth and nose if you cough or sneeze with the inside of your elbow. Don't get close anyone who has cold or flu-like symptoms. Go to doctor. You have a fever, cough, or feel that is difficult to breathe. If you go to market, don't touch any animals or anything in the area they stay. Thank you.